Brand new equity peaks today in the 50K portfolio, up $3,400 on the day. Let's see the official strategy results for the 50K portfolio is plus 34.35. You see, I'm going to go over the trades here in a minute, but actuals where I'm showing around plus 3,200, so about $235 difference, and 200 of that was our slippage. Around 200 of that was our slippage on the Cobra entry. The Cobra 3 got short here, and it just, it was a quick move right at that signal point, a quick move down 10 points. There's some economic news data that came out at 10 o'clock Eastern, and the market dropped precipitously. We got in, slipped 10 points. Slippage can, when something slips in your favor, oftentimes that can be a sign you're on the right direction of the trade. It'd be great if you could backtest a strategy and say, if lots of slippage, then hold. If no slippage, then exit. But you can't backtest what your slippage is going to be or what it would have been. So we had some slippage on that trade and up about $3,200 a day, brand new equity peak. So this was the highlight of the day, plus 28.75 on Cobra 3. Gap continuation reverse. We were up 1,000, so we were up about another 1,000 in the last trade of the day. They always feel the need to rescue this market, and you see this constant end of day curl up, need to rescue every day at the end of the day if it's down, which happens in markets, but doesn't happen every time. It seems to happen every time now. So plus 45 on SR Countertrend 4 crude oil, and plus 475 on SR Countertrend 3 crude oil, and plus 115 on Cobra crude. So some small trades. These are small trades in crude. This is a decent trade on SR Countertrend 3. And one note on crude oil is that oftentimes when we see bull markets, we see the gap up and then sideways to rollover action intraday. A little bit more rollover action, but still above 75 in crude oil, and still looking for higher prices in crude oil. I'm sure it'll be volatile. I'm sure there'll be pullbacks. We've had a big move since last April when crude oil prices went negative in the front month. So we'll see. We'll see how this plays out into the end of the year. Should give us some good trades either way. So good news on the 50K portfolio. Once again, brand new equity peaks. We came into the day down 1,200, up 3,400, so up about $2,200 past those equity peaks. I know some of you missed a $2,000 winner based on last Monday's margins. The margin requirement was upped, and if you potentially were not able to take this trade because there was already a trade on Cobra 3 NASDAQ, and then trading two NASDAQ strategies with less than $36,000 was not possible last Monday because the TradeStation increased their margin requirements. They didn't do that today. Market is orderly. The market is down, but it's orderly. It's not a crazy market that would require an increase in margin. So good trading today on the 50K portfolio.